All right, holding all the power right now for our weather impact forecast and rain in the area is Mallory Schnell.
Yes.
So it's floating around south of Louisville. We might get a little bit on the streets. When? By morning?
Yes, by morning. So you might need those windshield wipers for the early morning commute, but this is not going to stick around long. It's out of Louisville by mid-morning, out of Kentuckiana by lunchtime. We could have a light mix in some areas, but temperatures at the surface stay above freezing, so not expecting any kind of impacts other than some wet roads at times. And then once that moves out, sunshine returns tomorrow afternoon, and we have a pleasant few days ahead with high temperatures in the 50s tomorrow. And then Friday and Saturday, we keep mentioning this, those are certainly the pick days of the week. Plentiful sunshine on Friday. We might start off the day with patchy fog, but once that lifts, a gorgeous, gorgeous day with highs in the lower 60s. We climb into the mid 60s on Saturday with a few additional clouds around and maybe a shower off to the north by Saturday night as our next front moves on in. Max HD radar here. We've had this first wave down to the south, primarily along and south of the parkways here, bringing a few spotty showers throughout the evening hours, but that bigger picture view showing the next wave. And really the question has been, will these two kind of phase together and allow for more widespread precipitation overnight and into tomorrow morning? I still think it's going to be fairly light for most of us and scattered, but something to watch over the next about 12 hours here. The best chance for an inch or even two of rainfall, that stays down to our south in Tennessee, closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee border there. But our hour-by-hour futurecast carrying on into tonight, you'll notice that first wave down to the south. Second wave will be moving in from the north and northwest here. And then as about 7, 8, maybe 9 o'clock in the morning, that is when we could have a melting mix and rain showers elsewhere. You'll notice these temperatures are at least in the mid to upper 30s, if not the lower 40s. So that will really minimize impacts, but could be a quick, messy start to the day. By lunchtime, it's out of here. We're already starting to see some breaks in the cloud cover, temperatures in the 40s. And then by the afternoon, we'll try to rebound back into at least the lower 50s, even with a northwest wind, because we will have a lot of sunshine on tap. Now, tomorrow night, mostly clear skies will allow temperatures to drop down into the 30s. And if we still have some lingering moisture, that could cause patchy fog to form. Once that fog lifts Friday morning, we don't even have a cloud in sight. Plentiful sun, blue sky, high temperatures in the lower 60s Friday afternoon. A fantastic way to wrap up the week. Saturday looking very similar, just with a few more clouds around. And then our next front rolls through Saturday night. That could bring a few spotty showers to southern Indiana. Sunday will be cooler and cloudier with a high near 50. And then we're watching the potential for a rain-snow mix Sunday night into Monday morning. Highs in the 40s Monday and Tuesday with a more unsettled weather pattern taking us into the beginning of March.